Welcome to qnawire.
In this problem, we have been given that there is xy coordinate. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. And there is a vector v which is having magnitude of 11.5 units and it's pointing along the negative x-axis. So this is vector v which is having magnitude of 11.5 newtons. So we can rewrite this vector in terms of its direction as minus 11.5 I cap. And there is another vector u which is having magnitude 5.4 units and it points 73-degree angle with respect to the positive direction of x-axis. So this is how u vector points and this angle is 73 degree. So it has magnitude of 5.4 units. So to write this vector in terms of its components, we're going to project this magnitude. So there will be a component 5.4 cos 73 degree along x-axis and the component of 5.4 sine 73 degree will be along y-axis. So when we take the value of cos 73 and multiply that with 5.4, we get the horizontal component as 1.6 approximately, and similarly we take the value of sine 73 and multiply that with 5.4 to get the vertical component that comes out to be 5.2 approximately. So now we can express vector u in terms of the rectangular components as 1.6 I cap plus 5.2 j cap. So here now we have to figure out the total magnitude of the resultant of these two vectors. So resultant vector, that's vector u plus vector v, that will be when we will add these two vectors together. So upon adding this, we add the similar components together. So we get minus 9.9 I cap plus 5.2 j cap. And now to get the magnitude of the resultant of these two vectors, we just square 9.9 and we add it with the square of 5.2. So when we do the square of 9.9 and add it to the square of 5.2, we get 125.05 and we take the complete root of this to get the overall magnitude as 11.2 and the unit will be, let's just take a normal unit. We can see this is the total magnitude of resultant of these two given vectors.